The chief says he knew you would come.
Libby Libby, wah! Chim chimney, chim chim chiroo! Hi!
Que ono overdo inasu.
The chief says he has not understood the dialect you're using.
Tell him I'm happy to meet him, and that his sacred bat is as good as found.
A solemn name, Folugi Afalu Usu. Oh my goodness. The chief really seems to like you. I mean, that is a great sign of affection in the Wachati tribe.
Really?
Oh, this is the chief's son, Auda. The missionaries came through and taught him a spot of English.
I like you.
What? Aren't I the popular one? Allow me to display my affection. It is the mucus that binds us.